Hi everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my course Recording and Managing Excel Macros. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. Today, an overwhelmingly large number of people who work in almost any industry are required to be acquainted, or in some cases, very well versed with Microsoft Excel. And a large portion of those tasks we do are fairly repetitive and tedious. As such, automating those tasks would speed up work immensely. That is where macros come into the picture. And the aim of this course is to give you an introductory look at how macros work in Excel. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include recording macros in Excel, editing macros in Excel, and managing macros and configurations in Excel. By the end of this course, you'll have a basic idea on how to work with macros in Excel. There isn't a particular prerequisite before beginning the course, though a basic understanding of Microsoft Excel's interface would be very helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to record, edit, and manage macros in Microsoft Excel with the Recording and Managing Excel Macros course at Pluralsight.